almost seems impossible.
So thank you guys for coming to this special meeting. We have pizza and beer available. Help yourself. And then I see a chocolate cake that somebody brought, so you can just grab a chunk of that with your hand. And I'm going to introduce Molly with PCA, who's also videotaping, and she will go ahead and get us started. Does everybody have one of these books? Okay. All right, all yours, Molly.
How's everybody doing tonight?
Good.
Yeah? Good. I'd like to introduce you to Ruben Nieves. He's our lead trainer at PCA, the director of training at PCA. Ruben has 30 plus years of sport coaching experience, officiating, and administration, including actually working in youth baseball. So he's been where you are. Ruben also has 20 years of collegiate volleyball coaching experience at Fresno State and at Stanford. In fact, in 1997, Stanford men's volleyball were the NCAA champions that year when he was coaching. He's also been two times he's been named the NCAA Volleyball Coach of the Year. And last but not least, Ruben has presented over 400 workshops since 2001 for PCA. So, I'd like you all to welcome Ruben.
Okay, so we're going to do a workshop tonight, and workshop means, what does workshop mean? Interactive. A little bit of work, definitely interactive, okay, and that's where you guys come through big time, is when it's time to interact, that's when we get the most out of it, when you guys are talking to each other and kicking some things around. So my voice certainly isn't going to be the only one heard during our hour and 45 minutes here. I'm going to make some references to developing better athletes, better people. That book comes through 15 years of PCA working with youth sports organizations throughout America, best practices, what we see in organizations that have the strongest youth sports cultures. The kind of youth sports culture we call a development zone, which you'll hear about later. I've got a PCA sign-in going around. It's on a clipboard. I'm confident that over the course of the workshop we can get everybody signed in. We do follow up with you when you sign in. We're about a movement in positive coaching. And in order to have a movement, you need people in the movement. And you're our top prospect, so we'll try to recruit you into the positive coaching movement through your sign-in. Okay, so with that in mind, let's move forward. Let's take a look at this question right here. And when I say go, I want you to turn, I want you to talk in pairs. Unless we're odd, there would be one group of three. I want you to talk in pairs about how you would answer this question. And if one person in the pair is really good at taking mental notes or actually wants to jot down 3-4 bullet points, because I'm going to ask you to give me your ideas after you get to talk to a partner. Questions for me? Go.
I'm taking notes.
Did you see that in your bag, by the way?
Yes, I did. Actually, one of my kids saw it. He was like, "What must be?" In fact, we hope to have it through your sports program. Yeah. Keeping them in the program, definitely keeping them in the program. Wanting parents to feel like they're getting.